There's a lot of misinformation about hypersonic missiles, from Joe Rogan to Russian sophists who misidentify cluster bombs. So to start, a hypersonic missile is anything that travels above 5 times the speed of sound. Technically, ballistic missiles have been hypersonic for years. They go about Mach 19. But ballistic missiles travel ballistically, meaning they have a predictable path, and if you can predict them, you can shoot them down. Cruise missiles fly an unpredictable path, but they're slower, making them easier to shoot down. But hypersonic missiles fly fast and can turn, not on a dime, but enough to make them unpredictable and avoid threats. On the ocean, a hypersonic missile can travel from the horizon to your location in less than 10 seconds, so you don't have a lot of time to make a decision. But they're really expensive. The United States only has a few hypersonic missiles, and they cost between $50 and $100 million a pop. So they might be useful against high-value targets such as an enemy aircraft carrier. But until the cost problem can be fixed, all you have is a cruise missile with a conventional warhead that just happens to fly really fast.